Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to clear browsing history in Google Chrome. Why would you want to know how to clear browsing history in Google Chrome? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Chrome and not sure how to clear browsing history in Google Chrome. So today I am going to show you how to clear browsing history in Google Chrome. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Clearing browsing history in Google Chrome is quite simple and the process is very easy to do. First of all, open Google Chrome browser. Now you are seeing three dots at the top right corner. Click on it. Click on History. Again click on History. Now click on Clear Browsing Data. Now you are seeing Time Range. Click on it and select All Time. Then click on Clear Data. Your all browsing data will be cleared. There you go. If you wanted to know how to clear browsing history in Google Chrome, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.